Am I too tall, too short? Cool, right? Closer. My lighting is ghetto, y'all, so. Okay. Here we go. Perfect. Okay. Take 1900. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm stoked today because today I'm going to be doing my first ever carry-on luggage review for you guys. You guys have been requesting videos like this a lot and I have put it off only because I know that once I start doing it, I'm going to be getting a lot of luggage companies and bag companies sending me all these bags and wanting me to review them. Don't get me wrong, I love products and I love reviewing them, but I've been kind of avoiding this just because I like to keep my content more broad. But I know that you guys have been wanting me to review some good luggage out there and some brands other than Travel Pro. So today I am appeasing the masses and I'm going to be doing that for you. So we're gonna start with a company that I have been seeing kind of trending around YouTube a little bit in the travel space, and that is a GoPenguin luggage carry-on. I've just been seeing a lot of people kind of reviewing this bag and giving their 2 cents on it. I don't really know that much about it. With that being said, packaging is important to me. As you guys know, I love me some good, solid packaging. So we're gonna get into that first, and that's why I have my little table here. So let's get into it. Okay, I'm not gonna lie, I did open this like top bag first just because I almost filmed this video last week and I ended up not doing it because something happened, but I haven't opened the box inside. Okay, let's see if I can, dang it, I need scissors. Oh wait, I think I have scissors. So this is what it looks like, really nice, very chic. It looks like we open it from this side, so let's see. Ooh, I'm excited. We're gonna get it. We're gonna get it. We got the, oh, here we go. Okay. There's like a camera here, but then like there's like a little cutout. I don't know why that's a cutout. I guess we'll find out. Oh, okay. Oh my God. Oh, very cute. So it says, to a better life, to a better world, change starts from you. That's so cute. Cute design. And then right as you open it here, reuse of carton. This box is designed for transforming into a cat house. Make one now. Oh, that's what that little hole is for. Oh my gosh, that's so genius. That's cute. So it tells you like how to do that. That's funny. I don't have a cat, but you know what? I have lots of nieces and nephews, so that works for them too. Okay, so, ooh, this is cute. I'm excited. Okay, it's a lot smaller than I expected, but that's not a bad thing. It comes in this nice little, it kind of feels like the tea bag fabric. I don't know. So let's open this up here. Ooh, I got the yellow one. Ooh, okay. Ooh. Look at those wheels though. Okay, GoPenguin, I see you. What should we look at first? Okay, I'm going to New York in a couple of weeks, so I'm gonna be taking this bag and I'm super excited. So it's got the nice little logo right here. My very first impression of it is definitely the wheels. I've never had a suitcase like this that has such smooth and quiet wheels. They are so nice, very quiet. I know that they're made in Japan, so it's very high quality. They get them imported and then they attach them themselves. It's got a nice little sturdy handpiece right here for you to lift the suitcase if you're going upstairs or whatever, which in New York, I think this is the perfect size bag for like a week-long trip to New York just because it is so easy to carry. I've walked around New York City with suitcases before and oh my word, it was the hardest thing ever because you're going up and down subway stairs. There's a lot of walking in New York, so something like this is actually really perfect. There's also a side handle right here and it kind of feels like it's made of a very strong rubbery plastic. I'm not even sure what the material is called, but I'll find it out for you. And then what's really nice about these handles is that there's give to them. So when you pull on it, the strap actually goes down, and so that just means that it's not going to break off very easily. There's give in it, so you're going to be able to carry it when it's, you know, fully heavy. On the side right here, there is a lock. I'm not even sure how this works. Aha! Waha! Figured it out. Kind of. I get it. Oh my gosh. Okay. So whatever you set your code to, you just type in those 3, or you like scroll in those 3 numbers, and then you push up and your bag is going to unlock. So let's open this up. Actually, I would like to check out this part first. So let me take this plastic off. Ooh, that's smooth. You guys, that is a very important part of a good suitcase. I don't know how many times I have broken this part of a suitcase. I don't know why, they just tend to break a lot. This is very sturdy, very good quality. Again, I haven't really traveled with it, so I haven't been able to test it out, but from what I can tell compared to a lot of other suitcases that I've had, pretty good quality. This is the part I'm excited for. Let's see. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Okay, which side do I start on? I'm gonna start on this side. Wow, okay. The entire suitcase is lined on both sides. It's very nice. You've got your clips right here, so, you know, I'm assuming you would put clothes or whatever else, something that you want to organize in this little section right here, and then close it off to keep it nice and tight in there. You've got all these little pockets. You could put toiletries in here, very accessible. You can see through these little mesh pockets right here, so that's super nice. I love when you can see through the pockets, because a lot of the time you can forget what you're packing or what you have packed, and then you're all of a sudden you're at TSA and you got to go through the whole thing. So love the organization there. And then on the other side, you have another big, nice mesh pocket right here. And then you unzip the other side, which has a nice, large organizational part. And it's lined with a very sturdy fabric, which does unzip, it looks like. So I actually really like that this is very simplistic. I honestly, again, I didn't really do a lot of research about the bag just because I wanted to be surprised. I wanted to kind of have like a first look on camera, and I'm very surprised that it's very simplistic, but I'm also like pleasantly surprised, because as much as you guys know I love pockets, I really like a lot of pockets to be in my personal item bag. As far as the carry-on bag, I really like it to have 5 or 6 pockets tops, nothing more than that, just because it can get a little bit hard to work with. But I love that they have like both sides available for clothes, and then they have like these top areas for like any other organization that you want to happen. So that's really nice. The zippers are very easy to work with, very good quality, I have to say. You can tell that this is a good quality bag, no doubt about it. It's nothing like luxurious by any means, but it's definitely a very good, affordable product that's gonna last you a pretty long time if you take care of it. I'm pretty impressed with this. It's honestly a perfect size. I can put the measurements right down there. It's very easy to maneuver, to hold. It doesn't feel too big. Again, the zippers are really, really nice. It's protected by this rubber lining right here on the side, so when they are transporting your bag, it's going to protect a lot of that shock from banging around the bag and throwing it in different places. So that is definitely a plus. The wheels are my absolute favorite part. They are so smooth. So all in all, really, really great bag. I really don't have anything bad to say about it. Of course, I'm going to have to travel with it a few times and then do another kind of tested review. But I can tell just by looking at it, and then just all around the good like mechanics of it. Everything is really smooth and easy to kind of maneuver. I can already tell it's gonna perform pretty well, but I'm excited to use it. So if you guys want to go purchase this bag, you can go ahead and go to the description below. There's a code down there especially for you. It is Becca Irene with an extra E. That's my Instagram. That's the code if you want 15% off of your order, or you can get it on Amazon and enter the same code as well. So it's up to you. If you have Amazon Prime, I would just go ahead and do that. Also go ahead and go take a look at their Instagram. It's pretty cute. You can see all the different colors that they have and their website as well. So thank you, GoPenguin, for sponsoring this video. Also, I wanted to let you know that I'm going to be starting to do some reaction videos, which is going to be so fun. I've been wanting to do kind of videos like this for a while just because they're a little bit more entertainment based, but I always find myself kind of reacting to like videos or stuff that I see on Instagram or TikToks or YouTube videos or just like movies in general about planes and like flight attendants and how they just like never seem to be doing their job. I think it would be really funny to do kind of like flight attendant reacts videos. So if you guys want to go ahead and post any kind of video that you would want me to react to, please go ahead and comment below anything that you'd want me to see and react to on camera. You can also tag me in those videos on YouTube, and then you can go to the community tab where I'll have a little like questionnaire in there, and you can go ahead and submit some reaction videos there too. So would love to do that because I don't know if anyone else on YouTube is kind of doing that in the travel space, and I think it would be super fun. So let me know what you want me to react to. I love you guys so much, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Put these bad boys back inside. You have to put the code in first. Okay. This is going great.